Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. It's Valentines Nails, and I don't know what I'm doing, but let's figure it out. First, as always, base coat Orly bonder today. And then we're gonna go in with finger paints in the shade Romanticism Ruby. Let's bring some more light in. Now this is one of my favorite red nail polishes that I even own. It is stunning in person. The camera will never show its true beauty, but we do what we can. It's this red, it's almost translucent, so you definitely do want 2 coats, but it's got these micro glitters that are also red, and they just shimmer in the most beautiful way. I once tried to take photos of this nail polish and it just kept turning my whole camera view red so that you could not see its beauty, and I think there's something magical about that. I really just love how deep this color looks. Though it isn't, it's a thin layer of paint. It looks like it goes down to depths, and like the glitter is layers and layers with space in between. It's cosmic. Next, we're gonna do some China Glaze. This is Black Diamond. It's a black, but it's also like a charcoal shimmer. I like it. Alright, so let's give this some time to dry, and then I'm going to do a quick dry top coat. Today we're going to do the Orly second dry, so I'll be back after that. Alright, so we've got that dried down a little. We're going to go in with this collection of sequins, glitters, whatever you like to call them. I mostly want to focus on these little red hearts and maybe sprinkle in a couple of these different colored ones. But first, we gotta put something for them to stick to. So we're gonna use this Nina extended wear base coat. It's thick and it's sticky. Oh no, all the time it's me sticking my nails into polish that's not hard. Gonna have to do something to cover that up now. Great. All right, so let's start with this one over here. Let's get us a little bit of this put down. Hope it doesn't dry before we're ready. So we want to place them almost in a manner that seems like it's random. We don't want too many at once either. It's got 2. We need this guy to get up out of here. Please come up. We don't. Crap. Well, I guess it's gonna have to be there because it's gonna fight me if I try and pick it up. Alright. It's a little full, but I don't hate it. I love the way it shimmers. Let's do some on the thumb as well. Let's start with our other color over here. We need one more up here in this corner, I think. There we go. Yes, that seems like plenty. Don't want to overdo it, and that's quite a few. Alright, so we'll let those dry down. Alright, I decided while I was off camera to go ahead and put these little single white hearts on the tips of these because I thought it was cute and it would tie them together a little bit. We need to throw another layer of quick dry top coat on. Now, when encapsulating glitter and sequins, you want to be generous with your top coat. When it dries, it's going to get thin because nail polish does, but you want to put enough of it on that it completely surrounds your items, and so when it dries down, it's almost like they're laminated in. Alright, I also have some rhinestones. I want to put some of these on here. I didn't bring the 4 rhinestones only over, so I am just gonna use this base coat in instead, and then I may reinforce it later if necessary, but we will see. Let's just get some of that out though. Alright, so let's get us a glob going right here in the center of this one. I really should be looking at it like this so I can make sure I can see the center. Alright, and we want to go in with a heart for sure. Yes, that is beautiful. And then we want to put a little bit underneath it. Yes, I think so. Let's grab us one at a time, please. One here, and then let's get a small one as well. Put that on there. We're gonna move them into position. Yeah, let's do some on the top as well. Yes, that's very cute. I think I'd like to go around the cuticles as well. Yes, I think that's quite shimmery. Let's put some cuticle rhinestones on these other fingers as well. Yep, looking good. We gotta put some over here though. Let's see, let's do this. I like that. I think those look really nice. I know they're hard to see, but they're beautiful. Let's go ahead and stick some over here. All right, what do you think? I like it. It's so sparkly and so shimmery. I think we should leave it alone. Let it speak for itself. I definitely feel like I'm gonna put some more encapsulation on these glittery ones, and that's fine. But I don't think we need to put any more decoration. So let's leave this as it is, and I'll be right back. All right, let's go ahead and wrap this up here. We've got it done. I did go ahead and put a little bit more top coat on here. It's gonna take a little while for it to actually dry down. I am gonna get you some photos outside as usual. It's been pretty sunny today. I think you can tell in the background about that glow. So hopefully you'll get a good look at these stones. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your likes and your comments. Thank you for subscribing. Definitely check and make sure that you are subscribed. We have new videos like this one every week, plus many videos in between, and hauls and giveaways. Again, you know about the 500 subscriber giveaway. We're edging closer every day. Make sure you're here for that. And let me know if you think this is cute and acceptable, and what your opinions really are on this look. I think it's simple, which is what I was going for. I didn't want to make it too complicated, but I think it does keep within the traditional Valentine's essence. It is red, it is sparkly, and it is full of hearts, and I like it. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.